My name is Sam Bearpaw. I'm the president of the San Diego chapter Mata'um of Redrum MC. Every single chapter, if there's a powwow near where they're at, they will go to that powwow and they will dance and they will sing. We have drum groups in all the different chapters. It's a beautiful spiritual feeling. When you're singing, you're sitting at that drum and you're singing, it makes you feel really good. When you're done with a song and it all went good, your heart is just racing and you're just so happy. Redrum First Nations MC is an Indigenous-based motorcycle club. We like to inspire and get good people into our club so that they're able to help us with our vision of positivity and enjoy the camaraderie that we have as a motorcycle club. You know, we're all brothers, you know, and as Indigenous people, we welcome everyone into our club. It doesn't matter where you're from, because we're all from a tribe somewhere, right? And we welcome everyone that has the same vision as we do. We like to make our rounds around LA helping the people, and that's what inspires a lot of the people that join our club. There's a lot of Native American tribes here in Los Angeles, like one of the most concentrated places in the United States that has such an indigenous population. We go to powwows. The whole idea behind the powwow is that spiritual feeling that we are able to express ourselves out in the arena and dance and sing and talk to each other, laugh and shake hands with everybody. Myself, I'm a singer and a dancer, and I dance chicken dance and northern traditional dancers, and all my guys, they love going also. So the powwows are a great point of interest for all of us. I grew up in a town called Montebello. My mother was a nurse and she worked in the East Los Angeles Community Hospital. And as a young little boy, I started skateboarding, and that was our first wheels. Well, actually, my grandpa used to let us drive his truck, his old truck, and I was just, you know, a 7-year-old driving this big old truck. We rode our mini bikes all through the neighborhood, and the police never gave us a hard time. The whole idea of living in Los Angeles, everyone thinks it's kind of crazy, but you know, in the most part, it's really kind of fun to live in Los Angeles. Anywhere you look, you're going to see wheels, from the little kids skateboarding to all the bicyclists, all the motorcycle guys that are around. They're everywhere. Good things happen to you if you roll to a place out here with your wheels. It's a beautiful time once you get there, you know, and the adventure getting there too. If you find all the good places, you'll be so happy. A lot of people would wish they could come to Los Angeles just to be a part. And I feel happy that I belong to the fabric of Los Angeles. As we rumble or roll through town, everyone sees us and they're waving to us and enjoying the fact that we are there to help and to promote peace and positivity and to continue the Native American idea of saving the earth, of keeping all the people safe, and just set a precedent of a wonderful feeling between everybody on this earth, you know, because we're all human beings and we all enjoy wonderful things, you know, the fresh air, the beautiful Los Angeles weather, and we enjoy rumbling around and using our wheels to do things, you know, safely.